Climate change and capitalism is the topic I chose for my research. I chose it because the climate isn't something I ever thought of and would like to learn more about it. For my first source, Capitalism Broke the Climate, Now I Can Fix It. A quick summary is it's a TED talk on how getting rid of capitalism is not the solution to climate change. The speaker gives various examples showing in what ways capitalism has led to advances in renewable energy and also the competition in the electric car business between the US and China. For my evaluation of the source, the author is a journalist. TED Talk is a credible source of information. The tone of the work is not biased and objective, so I determined the source to be reliable. My second source was To Save the Climate, We Have to Reimagine Capitalism, and it's about the damage being done to the environment by companies and not being paid for, resulting in a cheaper product. Another thing mentioned is a success story in the garbage disposal business where an ethical capitalism was being used, meaning no shortcuts are taken when disposing of trash, resulting in less pollution. I determined this source to be reliable because the author is a professor at Harvard and also an economist. TED Talk is a credible source of information, and the tone of the work is objective and not biased. My last source is Capitalism and the Climate. Are we literally cooked? It's about large corporations pursuing profit, and in doing so, the planet becomes collateral damage. Projects started up in Dubai but never finished, leaving leftover debris in the desert. The conclusion the author makes is that the end of capitalism is the solution to the climate crisis. For my evaluation of the source, there is no information about the author. The website was a blog for a university. The tone used in the article appears to be objective. Only one source was able to be verified on the website, so I determined the source to be not reliable. So, capitalism has been detrimental to the climate, an example being big oil companies. There are steps that can be taken to help the climate through capitalism, making clean sources of energy profitable and cheaper, and making large companies pay for the damage they do to the environment are some solutions mentioned in the sources provided that have been accomplished. An idea was also brought up, though the plausibility of it happening is not great, is that businesses could be ethical when conducting business, rather than taking shortcuts like getting raised to waste illegally and prioritizing profit. They could do the right thing. I would like to continue research on things already being done to help the climate that I wasn't aware of before.